Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Pipestone, Manitoba, a charming rural community located in the southwest part of the province. Pipestone was first settled in the early 1900s as the railway opened the prairies to new farming communities. The town quickly became a gathering place for local farmers and travelers passing through the area. It was named after the nearby Pipestone Creek, which in turn was named for the red pipestone rock historically used by Indigenous peoples to make ceremonial pipes. Agriculture has always been central to life here, with vast fields of wheat, canola, and livestock shaping the economy. Today, Pipestone is known for its friendly people, peaceful streets, and beautiful prairie surroundings. Whether you are just passing through or spending a little extra time, Pipestone is a place that will make you feel right at home. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Pipestone, Manitoba.